Hello, good morning students. Today's topic is how to express numbers as the sum of two odd primes. The question is 36. We have to take the greatest prime number less than 36 is 31. 31 plus 5, 36. And both are odd primes. 31 plus 5, 36. Next 42. Greatest prime number less than 42 is 41. 41 plus 1, 42. But 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we have to take the next prime number less than 41 is 37. How much we have to add with 37 to get 42? 37 plus 5, 42. Both are odd primes. 37 plus 5, 42. Next 84. Greatest prime number less than 84 is 83. 83 plus 1, 84. But 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we have to take the next prime number 79. 79 plus 5, 84. And both are odd primes. 79 plus 5, 84. Next 98. Greatest prime number less than 98 is 97. 97 plus 1, 98. But 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we have to take the next prime number 89. 89 plus 9, 98. But again 9 is a composite number. Again go for the next step. Greatest prime number less than 89 is 83. 83 plus 15, 98. 15 is composite number. So we have to take the prime number, greatest prime number less than 83 is 79. And 79 plus 19, 98. Both are odd primes. So 79 plus 19, 98. In this way, we can find the sum of two odd primes. Next question. Express numbers as the sum of twin primes. Twin primes means two odd consecutive numbers, prime numbers. For example, 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and their difference is 2. In twin primes, we have to divide the given number by 2. 36 divided by 2, quotient is 18. Now we have to take the before and after number of 18. Before and after number of 18 is 17 and 19. Both are prime numbers. So 17 plus 19, 36. Next 84. Again 84 is divided by 2. Quotient is 42. Before and after number of 42 is 41 and 43. Both are prime numbers. And after adding 41 plus 43 we get 84. Next 120 divide by 2. Quotient is 60. Before and after number of 60 is 59 and 61. Both are prime numbers. So after adding 59 plus 61 we get 120. Next number 144. Same divided by 2. Before and after number of 72 is 71 and 73. Both are prime numbers. We have to add 71 plus 73, get 144. In this way, we can find the sum of twin primes. And you must see that their difference is also 2. 73 minus 71, 2. 61 minus 59, 2. 43 minus 41, 2. 19 minus 17, 2. And student, it is very necessary to learn all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Thank you. Hello, good morning students. Today's topic is divisibility test. First, divisibility by 2. If its ones digit is 24680, example 136, ones place is 6, is an even number which is divisible by 2. Therefore, 136 is also divisible by 2. Example 394, 2318, 750, 236, 912. Ones digit is 4, 8, 0, 6, 2. All are divisible by 2. So we can say that all those numbers are also divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. Sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Example 432. 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9. Which is divisible by 3. Means 3 3s are 9. Therefore 432 is divisible by 3, and I have done division also. There is no remainder. Quotient is 144. So we can say that 432 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 3 and 9 both are same. Sum of its digits is divisible by 9. 65,403. We have to add all the numbers. Get 18, which is divisible by 9. 9 twos are 18. Therefore, we can say that 65,403 is divisible by 9. And I have done division also. There is no remainder. Quotient is 7267. Next, divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so we have to use the divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3, both the test. Example 114. 4, one's digit is 4, which is divisible by 2. So we can say that 114 is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3, sum of its digits 1 plus 1 plus 4, 6, which is divisible by 3. We can say that 114 is divisible by 3. And what is the rule? It should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Hence 114 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So it is also divisible by 6. One question, is 346 is divisible by 6? Yes or no? We have to follow the divisibility test. Divisibility by 2. 346. One's digit is 6, which is divisible by 2. Therefore 346 is also divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. Sum of its digits. 3 plus 4 plus 6, 13, which is not divisible by 3. Therefore 346 is not divisible by 3. Hence 346 is divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6. Next, divisibility by 4. If the number formed by its digits in tens and ones place, example 936, number formed by the tens and ones digit is 36, which is divisible by 4. Therefore 936 is divisible by 4. And again I have done the division here. There is no remainder. Quotient is 234. Some more examples are given here. 616. Tens and ones digit is 16. 4 fours are 16. In this question, tens and ones digit is 12. 4 threes are 12. In this question, tens and ones digit is 56. 4 14s are 56. Next, divisibility by 8. If the number found by its digits in hundreds, tens and ones place. In this question, 79,152. Hundreds, tens and ones digit is 152, which is divisible by 8. Just have a look. 152 divided by 8, quotient is 19, remainder is 0. Therefore 79,152 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 5. If its ones digit is 0 or 5. Example 40, 325, 980, 6725. Ones place is 0, 5, 0, 5. So all these numbers are divisible by 5. Divisibility by 10. If its ones digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. 780, 2460, 30. Ones digit is 0. So all these numbers are divisible by 10. Next, divisibility by 11. If the difference of the sum of its digits in odd places and the sum of its digits in even places, either 0 or a multiple of 11. Now the question is 9, 0, 7, 2, 8. First we have to mention the odd even places. Odd, even, odd, even, odd. Next, sum of its digits in odd places. We have to write all the digits of the odd places. 8 plus 7 plus 9. 8 plus 7 plus 9 equals to 24. Sum of its digits in even places. Same, we have to write all the digits of even places. 2 and 0. 2 plus 0, 2. Now difference of the two sums. We have to find the difference of these two sums. 24 minus 2, 22. And it is divisible by 11. 11 2s are 22, which is clearly divisible by 11. Therefore, 90,728 is divisible by 11. Next question, 76844. Again we have to write odd, even, odd, places. Sum of its digit in odd places, 4 plus 8 plus 7, 19. Sum of its digits in even places, 4 plus 6, 10. Then we find the difference of the two sums, 19 minus 10 equal to 9. But 9 is not divisible by 11, which is not divisible by 11. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 11. Next, divisibility by 7. If the difference between twice the ones digit and the number found by the other digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Example, 6804. Ones place is 4. We have to multiply ones place by 2 and rest of the number we have to subtract. So ones place is 4, 2 into 4 and rest of the numbers are 680. So 680 minus 2 4s are 8. 680 minus 8, 672. Now we have to divide 672 by 7. It's easily divisible. Next question, 826. Again ones place is 6. Ones place is multiplied by 2. 2 into 6 and rest of the numbers 82. So 82 minus 2 into 6. 82 minus 2 6 are 12. 82 minus 12, 70. Again 70 is also easily divisible by 7. Therefore, we can say that 6804 and 826 are divisible by 7. So students, we have to learn all the divisibility tests.